The other day I was talking to one of my students about his progress in English, and I was so glad to hear from him that he really has picked up the language so well, and he is speaking English very fluently without any hesitation. And he was sharing his confidence that now he could speak English anywhere with anybody. By listening to his words, I was so glad, because as a teacher, when I hear my students, they share their experience about their success or their progress, I really feel so happy about them. Then I just asked him, how did you improve your English? He said, sir, just because of having conversations with you. And yes, like we have been talking or having conversation with each other for many months. And because of our practical conversations, he could pick up his language very well. So dear friends who are listening to me, I just want to tell you that you are struggling to learn spoken English just because you are not able to understand that spoken English is a practical aspect of English. And unless and until you practically speak with anybody or have conversations, you will never be able to pick up your language well. So that is why I always encourage you and all my students that if you want to be fluent in English, don't waste your time in some grammar lessons or something like that. Rather, why don't you pick up a guy or friend to speak in English with him and spend time as much as possible to speak in English with him or her. So in that way, you can learn or develop English very well. So if you want to talk with me, I have started some online conversation classes for students, and if you're interested, you may join and you can improve your English just through conversation. And I'm sure, as I heard from that student, that how he is developing and he has developed his fluency, I'm sure that you too can develop your fluency very well in English. So, with these words, I wish you all the best. God bless you.